Whoa, what's that, Sat? These are the letters S and H. Together they make the sh sound. Let's get learning.
Hi everyone, it's Mr. Luqui and welcome to Learning with Luqui. Guess what everyone? I think there's a shark in my sink. Hello shark. Shark. Hello shark.
Oh, hi there!
Shark, so friendly. Oh, hi Sat. Oh, my hand. Oh, I hit it on the sink. But the shark is friendly.
Oh, it's nice that you've made a friend with that shark, Mr. Luqui. But I'm here to teach you today's sound. These are the letters S and H. And together they are a digraph. They make the sh sound together.
The sh sound?
The sh sound is a long, quiet sound. Push your lips forward to make the sh sound. Listen to Mr. Luqui and see if you can make the sh sound. Now you know how to say sh.
Wait, how do we write the letters that make the sh sound?
To write the letters that make the sh sound, start with the letter S. Put your pen at the top, bring it round to the middle and round back again. Now write your letter H. Start at the top, bring your pen down, bounce halfway up, round, down and flick. Let's have another go. And that's how you write the letters that make the sh sound.
Thank you for showing us how to write the letters that make the sh sound, Mrs. Luqui. But now it's challenge time. I'm going to show you 5 things. Then you and everyone at home have to find all the things that have the sh sound.
Okay everyone, you know I'm going to need your help for this challenge. So let's find all those things beginning with sh. Let's go quietly. Okay everyone, let's see which things Sat has for us today. We have a sheep, a shell, a gate, a ball and a ship. I'm going to give you 10 seconds now to find all those things beginning with sh. Let's see which things begin with sh. Sheep, shell, ship. Well done, we found everything beginning with sh.
Yes, you passed my challenge. Now it's time for our reading challenge using the sounds we have learned. Remember everyone to look out for those sound buttons. Good luck!
And here's our first word. Remember everyone, we're sounding out a word with a digraph. So when we see the sh digraph, don't say s, we're going to say sh. And let's use those sound buttons to help us. Are you ready? Sh, it, p. Sh, it, p. It says ship. Sat, it says ship.
Yes, yes, yes. Well done everyone and Mr. Luqui for blending those sounds together and reading the word, even when it had a digraph. Here is another word that has the sh sound.
And here's our second word. I hope you're ready to sound it out. It, sh. It, sh. It says fish. Sat, it says fish.
Yes! Well done everyone, you sounded out and read those words really easily, even with the digraph sh sound. But I've got to go now. Take care, everyone, and I'll see you next time when we learn another new sound. Bye, Mr. Luqui. Bye, everyone.
Bye, Sat. Thank you so much, Sat, for teaching us all about the sh sound. But I've got to go now too, so I'll see you all next time. Let's recap what we've learned today with Mrs. Luqui. Bye, everyone.
What sound did we learn today? These are the letters S and H, and together they make the digraph sh sound. Can you all make that sound at home? Now listen out for the sh sound in these words. Shower, smash. Let's sound out this word together using the sounds we know. Watch out for that digraph. D, I, sh, dish. Remember, if you enjoyed today's video, click the like and subscribe button. Don't forget the notification bell so you can see more of Mr. Luqui learning his phonics. Now you know the sh sound. Show stopping.